Do you want to track the number of clicks on website links or any other web links you share? Knowing how many clicks your links receive can help you to understand the audience engagement level and optimize your marketing strategy. In this video, we will show you how to track clicks any website links using our coding language, which is PHP. We will guide you through the process step by step, from creating a custom URL to analyzing click data. By the end of video, you have a clear understanding of how track links on any web links and use that information to improve your online presence. So without wasting time, let's get started. For this, we need to create a database. Here I have created a database name with table name with link. So in this I need three fields, which is link ID, the URL and the status. Status is used to delete or soft delete or to retrieve the deleted the data. So that's the reason I use status. Once the table is created, we will go to coding. So I'll be using code igniter here, framework, and we'll be using three functions. First is getLink, second is redirecting that URL, and third one is creating an encrypted value. Encryption I have used here base64 and OpenSSL. You can see that. Without wasting time, let's code into it. So we need that URL. I am taking the URL using get method from the link directly. So once it is taken, I am encrypting the value of that URL, and then I am taking that encrypted value and creating a new link where we will be redirecting it. So the link I'll be using base URL, the website URL you will be getting. Base URL is nothing but then the controller name, the function name, and the encrypted URL. That's it in getLink. When we get that redirect here, when the people click on that link, what we need to do, we need to take that URL. Here I have used the third segment because base URL is 0, welcome is 1, redirect is 2, and the encrypted URL will be 3. So I have taken that encrypted URL and then I have passed it to my simple encrypt, where I have done the decryption. Once decryption is done, I'll take that URL, which URL the user is going to redirect. So I'll save that or insert that URL into my database to track it. So how many URLs I have with that same value, I can retrieve that, and then I can display to the customer that these many links has been clicked on this particular URL, so that we can give it to the customer information, or you can have that information, and we simply redirect it to the particular URL. That's it. Let's test it. So here let me encrypt it, the URL. I'll take a YouTube URL here and I'll do an encryption as usual, and then I'll go to the URL and I'll paste the URL. Here I'm getting an error like invalid characters are there in the URL. To get rid of this, so we'll go with the config, and there we'll be seeing the allowed URL characters. There I have added the URL details. Here you can see the database error is showing, so I'll fix it out, these errors. So once this is fixed, so as soon as we hit that link, we will be redirected to the YouTube video. So this is the simple way where we can use to track, and we get the values in the database. Using that, we can able to show it to the customer. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have understood how things goes. Thank you.